China has recently launched Vidu AI. Vidu AI emerges as China's new challenger to OpenAI Sora. Having made its debut at the 2024 Zhongguancun Forum in Beijing, this text-to-video AI model is jointly developed by Shengshu AI and Tsinghua University. Let's firstly have a look at their official video before moving forward and discussing about its features. This innovation marks a significant stride in China's quest to harness and localize cutting-edge AI technologies. Let's talk about its technical brilliance. This project wants to make OpenAI's model even better by using different technologies like video BQVAE, denoising diffusion transformer and condition encoder. They've already made progress creating videos that show how good AI can be at making videos. Vidu AI aspires to replicate some of the remarkable functionalities observed in Sora, including the ability to generate high-definition videos from simple text inputs. However, while Sora excels in creating videos incorporating intricate 3D movements and detailed environmental interactions, Vidu is still in its early developmental phase, concentrating on refining image quality and fidelity for longer video durations. It can currently produce 16-second video clips in high definition at 1080p resolution with remarkable ease. Presently, the Chinese model faces challenges related to hardware constraints, notably limitations in accessing advanced GPUs such as those manufactured by NVIDIA, which are essential for training complex AI models. The direction for Vidu entails advancing video resolution and incorporating more sophisticated AI features. The Vidu team is enthusiastic about broadening the model's capacities, which includes improving its skill in generating longer, more intricate video sequences based on textual descriptions. Vidu really represents a significant milestone for China in this world of AI. Kudos to them for working on such an advanced model at this early stage, and we expect to really see more of these. Sora really has got a great competitor. Earlier there was an introduction to Mora. I also made a video about it. The world of AI really thought that it could give some competition to Sora, but Vidu AI has really outdone itself, and it only remains to see how further they can go from here. Thank you for watching.